Are you beginning to notice stiffness or discomfort in your joints after turning 40? If so, you're not alone. Everyday tasks, walking, climbing steps, even standing in one spot for a while, can gradually become more difficult, especially as we age. Our joints, which have carried us through countless movements and activities, can sometimes start protesting with aches and reduced flexibility. JointVive is a natural supplement that aims to help. It features ingredients like turmeric and glucosamine, traditionally known for their role in easing joint discomfort and supporting healthy mobility. Instead of masking symptoms, these ingredients may help address underlying stiffness, making it easier for you to get back to the things you enjoy. Anna, a 48-year-old teacher, remembers waking up each morning with sore knees. She loved spending time with her grandchildren and taking brisk walks around the park, but joint pain threatened to slow her down. After adding JointVive to her daily routine, Anna began to notice a difference within a couple of weeks. The discomfort eased, and she felt more confident moving through her day. Her story is just one of many from people who have found renewed freedom with JointVive. If you're facing similar issues, supporting your joints naturally could be the next step toward greater comfort. To learn more and purchase JointVive directly from the official source, check the website linked in the description below.